In the world, let's say now we focus on gold. There got many different ways of trading gold. Okay? One way will be the most common one is spots.
Yeah, we will talk about sports.
With spots, we don't touch. It's the cheapest one, but it's the most risky one in the sense that we are trading
No,
with
no,
private
no, no, no. It's not about trading. It's about introducing, explaining gold.
Okay, fine.
Why we choose gold.
Okay, gold is one of the most stable commodity products in the world.
Yeah.
It's one of the more established.
Yeah.
5,000 years of history. Between Bitcoin and gold, I take gold anytime. Why? At least can put a gold pub in front. Everybody can gold. Bitcoin, if I go to, let me be honest, if I go to Sudan or Africa, nobody recognizes gold. Nobody Bitcoin. Okay?
And also easy to analyze. US dollar go up, gold goes down.
No, that one not true anymore.
Oh, not true.
It's one of the factors that drive gold price, US dollars. There is also what we call fundamentals. There's what we call geopolitical. Fundamentals related to supplies and supply and demand, buyers and sellers of center. One of the biggest gold producer you just do not know happen to be China.
Yep.
Russia is at third 3, I think. America is number 6. Australia number 4, 5. So all this type of thing they keep changing. So end of the day, gold is well established, easier to handle. So this is one gold. This is options on gold futures. The methodology can be done in many different ways. Then besides the gold futures, we can trade this one also. We can trade for gold. We can trade US market, GLD. GLD is a 10 over years history. It happens to be one of the most established gold market platform in the world. One share of GLD ETF. Hello. One share of GLD ETF is 1/10 ounce of gold. So this is lower grade stuff. Okay. Now we can trade many ways up. So now in the world of trading, we can trade options or futures, options. But end of the day, the biggest problem will be what is a quantum of capital exposure. For gold futures, the problem with gold futures now, which I like very much, for if you are serious buy, you can trade it almost 24 hours a day, almost. Okay, so if you want to trade gold now during this afternoon session, after Yom Cha finish already, on the go the London London market open. Gold be good. Okay, I mentioned here the factors that affect gold pricing is majority is 3. One, strength, because this are all historically gold is pegged to US dollar. So if US dollar strengthen or weaken, if gold valuation don't change, the gold price will if US dollars increase in value, definitely in gold that never change, definitely the same US dollars get more valuable, can buy more gold, vice versa. That is what you say is what you call counterparty pair. So it's very common. People say, US dollars drop, gold price increase. Of course same thing if Singapore dollar drop very well, US dollar same US dollar price increase vice versa. If US dollars increase in value, US dollars must drop vice versa. Of course, unless Singapore dollars increase and US dollars increase more, so it's like the price of when trading, let's say spot forex is just Euro USD. When you trade Singapore market or trade Malaysia market, let's say CIMB bank, they're changing ringgit for the bank. So you can say the shares is a form of valuation. You change your ringgit, or Singapore case you change Sing dollars for DBS shares. Both of them are considered currencies because both of them are interchangeable in open market now. Another one will be supply demand who buy who sell okay. Then another one is geopolitics social that if there's a fear in the market of inflation or whatever hyperinflation and things like that, then or there's a major financial crisis or a military crisis in Europe, then gold value will go up because the word is flight to safety. Historically, gold is considered safety. So how we can trade gold? We can trade in many different platforms, from sports to CFD to physical, to gold bars, to gold coin and gold jewelry. Okay, I got all. Okay, now next. Then for our trading purpose, we want to trade on the platform, so we can trade spots. We can trade spots directional. Unfortunately, there's nothing wrong with trade directional, but you have to be right to make money. Okay, so now we can trade gold futures. We can trade ETF on gold. Unfortunately, something is not right. The platform, I haven't known yet.
I think don't touch on futures. The main reason is because Futures is under the Futures Act.
I know, but we are not touching futures as per se. We are teaching options, because currently now, if you want to
Yeah.
trade gold futures now, the problem with futures is what is it really exchange rate. This one is licensed and regulated, so I won't get screwed up. The problem with trading futures now, with this some broker be more. You need almost $10,000.
Yeah.
You need almost $10,000 to do this trade. But what's the gold price? The gold price now is $1,941. But actually, so each future is times 100 so become 194,000 Then for put 10,000 for 110,000 is about 4-5%, 2x ratio, 5%, 20 times leverage around there, 20 times 20 plus leverage, which is quite good So now we don't want now for our teaching purpose we don't want to focus on directional trading. We want to focus on what we call income trading or multi-directional trading. Now what we mean by income multi-directional, let me show one for example. Let's say now we don't care. Let's say now we do this trade here. Buy one here, we go sell one trade. This is what I call income trade. Income trade means that means that basically we collect money upfront. It's hedged. We can do income trade open, but then the risk is unbelievably high. Okay, so our job now is to do fixed risk trading. So this income trade, this is a trade. This trade is a multi-directional trade. I mean by multi-directional trade. First and foremost, before we go further, let's determine the risk factor first. What's the maximum loss? The moment you can see the word maximum loss down there, it's $370. Then we know this trade the capital exposure, capital needed, fixed capital, maximum capital for the trade is $500. Maximum profit collected $130 up front. Maximum total loss is $370. So 130 plus 370 is $500. Okay Thomas, very little money Stop this trade 17 days Okay. To determine the valuation is what you collect $170 up front this is what you are going to make What's the maximum loss? Maximum is 370
This is as a seller of the option.
We sell options. We don't buy.
I thought seller got no limit one for losses.
No, it's limit because the way I structure it is limit.
Ah.
People sell nickel call, nickel puts, unlimited. You sell nickel put, can collect a lot of money. But if the thing drop $500, that's a $50,000 loss.
But can you fix?
Can. You see, I sell one here. I shorted 1975. I buy 1980. So if the thing shoot up to $2,000, yeah, I lose $2,500 here
Oh, that means you're doing actually a hedging on your position.
It's integrated hedging.
How come my friend do oil and then finish up 3 million in one day?
Naked.
Yeah, naked.
I most probably not naked. Worse is that he most probably use what you call margin risk. Means that they do not use, this is fixed risk, open what we call a physical risk. Because we buy 1975, we sell 1980. So what's our risk? It's very simple. I buy what I sell 197. Okay, let me see. Let's go. I buy 1980. It's mine. I buy already. Then I sell 1975. It's $5. Each contract is 100 ounce, correct? 100 ounce.
And what is your premium for the buy position?
$500. Sorry, dear. In meeting. I call you later, okay? Okay. I'm in meeting now. Okay, right. $5 but how much? 370, $5 you collect 130 upfront
So you lose 370.
370 lor. If the shoot up to $1 billion, also the same Thomas, my short call lose $10,000. Here I lose I make here money.
It's okay. But you must understand, you are talking as a person who trades for all these years. But for a new person,
we need to explain more simpler.
No. The new person, he will say, why I make 130 and then I lose 500.
No, lose 100. You need 500.
Yeah, you need 500.
Simple. You are selling insurance.
No, this is a question you have to.
不，为什么这样啊？很容易，我卖你保险，贵保险，然后我跟他买回来的便宜保险一点，收可以吗？对吗？我买什么？我买这个保险对吧？我买这个，我买1975保险给你啊，我收你多少钱？给你看，我收这，我收你啊12块钱呢，但是啊，我收12块钱是吗？无所谓是吧？然后呢？我卖啊1980to 保护我，说啊我收你12块，但是我赚多少我赔我卖出去多少钱？10块9毛是吗？所以我看 I sell for $12.30, I buy $10.90, so I make like 130 咯。
No, just now that one is different.
Which one? It's same.
The one is more. The one is I collect 175.
170.
170.
No, 130 now. We got that 130.
130, and then I might lose 370.
Yeah.
How to explain? 我买保险来保住这个。
我买你保险。
我卖。
I sell you expensive insurance. Then I go read insurance. You think insurance company do not read insurance
What you explain is correct. 但是 you must have this word. 但是。虽然我会亏掉这笔370块，但是这一张单能够让我赚取，如果市场是对的话。
不是对，as long 不要对，as long 市场没有错，我可以赚。没有定 ，don't move I make money， 下我 make money， 上我是会 make money。从我这样上 ，up down 稍微赚这样，OK， 等一下，除非它上去啊，1980块。现在价钱是1940块。That means go up by $40我赚钱，不定不要 never move a single dollar 没有动我是不要赚钱，下我是赚钱，我赚45%呢，多少钱？17天呢。Then 喂，多少时间？一进去不要看了 ，passive 嘞，我们像农夫这样
This is important.
Sorry, I need to warm up my Chinese.
So that's why when we put out all these numbers, there must be a reason, right? 但是
No, we 我卖，最多我这里在那边 I will show them if the thing don't move, how much I make, how much lose. If the thing go up by how much, go up by $30, how much make I lose. If the thing go up by go short of $5,000, how much I make, how much I lose.
Yeah.
That definitely have what. Okay, I have done that because.
So that means the training is actually not to tell them to be a buyer for option. It's actually to be a seller. With a protection.
I got strategies buy collect money, so we keep on shut. 现在我们做东西要收钱先，市场没有动見咩 key key 落10塊5塊本攤位，見落50塊攤8塊攤位，見key 30塊本攤位，我輸喂，你輸，見 key 100塊我輸啦，搞不？喂 friend，你唔會見但係 key 咧冇叮當你個輸 commission 呢，對冇？咁樣嚟啦。Yeah, don't worry too much. Once I warm up, okay. Unless
我賺錢少啦，130塊。
Hello, 40個8%呢？你問你 game 賺落你佢賺落咗你這樣你唔 happy 你使開啲電腦right click 你使走咧。
冇，你使幫100粒
sorry. 你幫個10萬是幫？唔係，別，個10萬是幫？別，等嚟。然我們來去啉咖啡。你請我食飯，我加入這些問題。Because end of the day，這就是我做。I design, I create method, I create system for you to have fixed risk。你試你就係試落咗你唔使試唔猜唔錯。
Now, I was thinking actually in the beginning, before you do this presentation, I was thinking.
No, this is not the front end. This is the ultimate back end. We need to tell what option is and things like that. So the front end will be half an hour for the theory lah.
No, it's not that. It's first you talk about the spot goal. Now spot goal risk is a bit higher, right?
Spot goal very high because it call of Japan.
Yes. So there's another way of trading is called option. You can buy option.
No, what we can do for learning purpose, we can divide it into 3 levels. Like tonight talk, I will give you a talk. Investing versus normal trading, normal versus income trading.
No. This
No,
one.
no. We need to come because you are talking the which one. Investing by physical. 长期1、2年、3年投资。Then 买卖是 you do direction trading, you 卖 you buy gold, you must go up, correct? I call directional trading. If you buy gold, the thing don't move, you lose money. 会输钱，但是输少啦。If the gold drop, lose more money, correct? If the gold go up, you make money 啦。But this method 我这个上这反正啊，不动赚钱，下赚钱，上赚钱。他们几样等下不是上千啊，等一下有不可能包赚呢，但是上多少？我这个我等一下我给你个 example 给看，下500赚这个多，我这最重要不是重要，最重要是你输370块，最多不可能输多一点嘛，除非你 break my rule 啦，再免话说了，然后你赚45%呢，17天呢，48%呢。
This one is how many days option?
17 days. By the way, if you want to be more quiet, we can do as low as 2 days, 1 day. I can do 30-40% return in one night. Okay, 不是像你what shall I say call trading in Chinese 交易不是你看你要进去的时候要准出来都要准这个不要，你在进去的时候这样，这个方法是个农夫你放进去投资14天后你看你要赚多赚少，你要赚你how to say safety 你问你的安全多少你要死，你要很安全吗？赚少一点，但是机会高很多，对吗
？risk
冒险，你要冒险多少呢？我们可以说，我冒险300-400块这个可以吗？45%可以吗？不够45%呢？170块马来西亚放2粒落去一礼拜你看not too bad already 咧。
Okay, let's see a 5 days option.
It's the same my friend. Okay, this one is actually the problem with this return for this is futures the principle is the same. If I do it on the ETF gold ETF even cheaper. Example, you want high risk. If let's say now we do it, you say 我要赚多一点 then no problem. Okay, let's say you want 做对的，我定market 下 okay don't mind. We can do here now one trade here.
No, just show me 5 days option. Let me see.
This one is what high risk.
What's the premium?
Collect how much?
Where is it?
就多少钱 ？We sell at the money okay? 这个最危险的，这个最危险的Can see how much money you make? 85% 呢。他们我不要，我要 I want to be safe. You want a high probability, right? This one 这个很少机会，为什么呢 ？For you to lose money for you to lose money for this one high 40 cents, 给 for 这个是少很多了，这个 10% only 啦，5000 10% 够吗？I think that's 10%, 8% 啦，8% 啦。This is which one higher chance of winning? This one of course the lower the returns you receive, the higher chance of winning.
Make $30.
That you okay? Most important is what's the break even? Okay, the break even for this trade is what 1945.30. This one this one for you to lose money go above 1950. Good, reasonably good chance to go above This one for you to lose money must go above 2,500 2,500 which is $55 away $60 away Don't move, make money. Market got 10, 20, 30, $40 make money, $50 make money, $55 make money Market drop also make money When you 投资要上你买卖要上either you buy 你买要上，你空卖要下This one high chance Why? Don't move make money, drop make money, go up also can make money. Of course.
Go up within limit.
Make money. So it means the range of profitability is much higher. So this one is not active Not like invest in gold or trade in gold. You must be there to go and take profit and things like that. This one just go farming style.
What happens if you cancel it within the matured date?
No problem. I do that a lot.
But they will recalculate all the profit and losses. Right?
No. You see now, example for fun. This one is too extreme now. One is extremely aggressive. Let's say we do something more conservative lah. I would say the mid range . I collect $1.30. 17 days also the same. 5 days also the same. Of course, all things be equal, which one more risky? 17 days more risky or 5 days more risky?
Of course, 5 days.
Of course 一样的钱，一样的 risk， 一样 45% return。
为什么不要去拉长一点，冒险更低
？Yeah, because time remember market 不是总裁你的赚多少钱？Same dollar value, make 5 days make 50 days the 50 day one is definitely more safer than the 5 days. All things equal in life. Now, once you enter a trade we can leave it until matured or 5天后的不要看进去。Another one can you not go and buy back? You sell for 130 correct? 你卖去可以买回来3毛5毛吗？卖了进去是吧？Then open again 卖进去你 collect 150 or 130, then you go buy back 50 cents, 80 cents. Instead waiting for 5 days, you may end up 2-3 days only.
When it is in your favor
Don't mind worst case, you know how much you're going to lose
Yeah.
The problem this one is the futures. Let me go and find the one can see now. Let's see inside here. Where is it? I hate this one. It's not moving. Let's go try that. This one is the best one. Personally, I feel I will not trade gold if I were you. I prefer trade indexes, but indexes are specific. Anyway, we start with gold.
Yes,
then concept easier step.
Because you got to get the frequency right first one. After they learn, they understood, you can change any product one.
Yeah, no, wait, no, first. We focus on gold.
Yes.
Then touch base on crude oil.
Oh.
Then touch base on indexes.
Yes.
Then after 1 moment,
correct.
Because end of the day, I think there must be a team for that, and gold is quite okay. I like gold.
Let them connect you first.
Okay. Now, example, this one. This is GLD. 这个 is physical gold ETF. This one 是现在你没有500块钱本钱是吗？不怕，我这个好一点的，这个是 GLD Gold。OK。像那现在我做这个12天的，最多是100块美金。你的投资是100块钱美金，你投资的 loosely 你的本金是100块美金，但是你不可以输100块的。OK， 你看这个现在我教个方法有好的机会赚钱的。这个是12天是吗？我们看的 charting pattern 是吗？Let's go find charting pattern。那 come on, don't mind OK。等下 OK， 等下我OK， we just see here OK，no mind, we know how much。Okay, we don't talk too much. We just give a number to them. Okay, just give. Okay, let's say we do this. This one not very good. So it's 个100块钱本钱，不是5毛钱。
赚多少？
现在不是赚多少，准备你亏多少先
？100块我知道
不是你亏
亏100啊？
你亏你亏78块。
赚12块了。
不是，你亏72块钱。
赚28块。
你赚多少是最多是吧
？100块啦。
不是72块，你放100块进去，你收28块。
先收。
then you what China accounting
你先放100块，然后马上呢收28块
30块来。
然后我们就看是时间一到，是输掉72块。还是稳赚
28块。每天你这个是 passive 的，你不必每天看一下的，因为这个现在这个方法是很 powerful 的。为什么呢？不动我赚。这28块没有多钱呢，你分别28钱等下你们不要这么做妖怪。OK， 在28块是吗？你岁数多少钱？72块是吗？38呢？38% 39% 的赚呢？ 除非你玩 money game 啊，money game 没有这样给你这种好折腾哎，这个是你的控制的。喂，这个是12 days. We can do 5 days if you want to, but we do 12 days. We don't want to do too short. Why? They get stressed out. The shorter the time frame, the more skills you need to do. 你慢慢跟着。这时候看看啊，现在你要每天看它吗？不要，因为什么？你赚多少你懂，你最重要是输多少你懂。
最主要是你输多少你懂，不要一醒来睡觉，屋子不见掉。
这个你说我不敢说。这个上 can do 啦，$100 can do 啦，can do 啊，this one can do。why this one is quite alright expensive for $28 Singapore may not be nothing lah. For Malaysia, you can go market and buy something. You can do 1 week shopping already. 最重要什么？你的what you call 投资100，最多你输72。这个方法是 passive 的。I think we need to put a terminology. You need to translate for me it's better, more markety, more fluid in Chinese for me to do. 所以现在这个问题是容易的，这个不要你超前，这个是 part time trading 了，一个礼拜一个晚上最多是半个小时一个礼拜2次3次可以了，不要想这么多。
明白。
为什么很多人投资一天要看市场3个小时5个小时？这个不是，这个是3个小时5个小时1个月。can we can do that in 1 month.
Okay.
4 hours. You can tell them, what's the suspicious number in Malaysia? I used to thinking of 4 hour trader per month. Yeah. So concept trading Thomas, I think market will go up or go down. I don't care. If you think the market will go, this one is based on market go down 是吗？Then Thomas 师傅 I think market 会下。会上无所谓 ，then we do a 上弯咯。你定了 market 上是吗 ？OK， 这样完全都是这个上的咯。3毛钱，这个很厉害 ，very fat。To me it's not right. Wait Oh no, call wrong. 这个的话是476。
Where is the duration 呢？大概
Yeah, 12 days.
Got
dates in there.
哦，
这个是20是吗？Thomas 师傅 I think 会上。then this one definitely no good 啦。then buy this one 咯，买这个咯，这个也是一样。OK， 师傅 I think金是180块I would think gold will stay between $181 to $175. Can we not do 2? 你看这个上580You see what's the thing itself? What's the capital needed?
100.
But we collect how much?
How much is that?
That's not. This is the margin.
24 cents
24 plus this one.
52啦。
本钱多少
52 cents or 52?
52 cents times 100 lah.
Is that why times 100?
This one is 100 units.
Oh,
Everything is 700 units.
so this 100 will be times 100 unit one.
No, this one is. Remember, this one different. This one not contract. This is the what called buying power flow. You want to call it?
That means you have a
capital risk.
loss. You have a loss of $100.
Yes, maximum
Then you have a potential profit of
52.
52 cents.
Yes. No, you collected 52 cents. Not potential. Collected 52 cents upfront already. If market stay between 177 to 150 you that way count you count this way it's 100%.
I didn't get you.
Yeah, and let me show you
You
something.
mean the contract size is 100?
Every contract is 100 units.
So that means it's actually 0.28 times 100 which is $28 one.
Yeah.
So that means upon mature, if let's say
No, the money you collected is $28.
this is the right one.
No, right one. They have to give these numbers to you.
Oh, okay,
This is the way it
okay,
come out.
Okay.
The total
So-
capital committed for
So
this
you're
trade,
doing a 28% profit.
more than that. You collect both sides there.
Oh yeah, the hedging one also. Yeah.
You collect both, right? You got a bullish side here, you got a
the
bearish
call
side
and the
here.
put one.
You got that? Okay, I make it simple. This one, normally I don't do this.
So
well.
this is more complicated.
Only actually just show to you something. Okay, we tease them up to level. See like 178 correct? Here is what this is what 177 here. I'll show you. This one I won't show them of course.
Just now that what is the company?
You smart.
You smart.
Mm.
What is the minimum to open account? I think I should open an account and try.
To be fair, we can talk to another two more. We can talk to Sexo also. I know the current director.
What's the
But-
minimum? Accredited customer and all that crap.
I don't know actually. They are very young and very hungry.
Which one?
All three of them. In
I
fact,
think Saxo is more established. You
Yes.
trade. You
Momo, Tiger, and U Trade are very hungry.
trade.
I can talk to them if you want to. No
How
problem.
much is it? Average.
We can start with $1,000.
Oh.
$1,000 enough already.
How to get accredited?
Not credit. No, this one, all these are not. All these are small retail level accounts. Whatever I
But
reckon,
Singapore not allowed unless you have an overseas.
I'll repeat again. All these are retail level account brokers. If not, I won't talk about it.
Mm.
Look carefully. You see here now. I show you. You see now. This is one. This is the one. The bullish side. This is a bearish. This is a call. Upside, downside. Correct.
Mm.
This one is a combo. I can see same numbers. Correct. Correct. All same numbers. Correct.
Mm.
You see the numbers here.
Yeah.
Of course, we will start off with single one leg each lah.
$4,700. What is the?
What's the capital? Tissue. Maximum profit plus maximum loss equals your capital.
Correct. And the other side?
All inside already. All inclusive.
And it's more than 100%.
Of course.
How many days?
12 days.
I think 12 days is not too long and not too short.
And we don't teach 60 days. I don't teach 60 days, 90 days, 120 days is valid, but not for beginners.
Yeah.
We need them to practice. To be fair, we're talking about the Sifu mode practice. Because not only that, if
I
we
think you can do like a 5-day and then a 12-day. Then you explain. Preferred to use 12 days. Less risk. The risk is lesser. Not say less risk. Lesser. There's always risk,
no，不是就算现在啊，你做我问你啊，你做180%啊，5天啊，180%啊，21天啊，which one 啊？which one 啊？我是 more 危险，机会多高一点？180%3个礼拜，哦，180%3天，
真的是3天啊。
咋没那么危险呢？Nothing wrong，你可以说180%3天。但是呢，你的机会赢多少？好啦 ，because remember，你的赚钱呢不是 how much you make 呢 ，is always over time 呢。it can all other things be equal 啦。Of course, market can bully you, market can 跟你笑给你大钱啦。但是 all other thing 啊，the life is simple. Okay, no such
But
thing.
how to explain to let them understand that short time and long time, short time is more risky.
容易咯，你放钱啊，银行啊，你要赚多是吗？赚快是吗？你像这样咯，你要现在你要本要去 KL 是吗？你要快一点是吗？2个小时吗？可以咯，我给你一个 Ferrari 咯。但是你死的时候啊，不要叫我不要报一个救命啊！
I give a scenario. 3天，12天。你说3天很危险，冒险比较高。那好，我举个例子3天没有动，4天、5天。
我不差这么多，因为现在啊，你看你这个叫 what you call option for 正常啊，你talk to 期权啊，是啊，跟我们说买卖的人啊 ，buyers 啊 ，and sellers，这个价钱啊是买卖的价钱 people 买东西啊要买便宜，卖东西啊要卖贵，对吗？
对
所以它的价钱呢，跟我们说啊，他们的 the buyers and sellers 啊，他们呢，他们的想法啊，10天、15天、5天以上的。所以现在我不是想这么多上好下，我现在我用啊买卖的价钱啊，跟我说啊，他们呢可以move 多少？
他们的
波动的，因为有买卖就存在，everybody 也是每个人想啊，进啊，可以去啊，300块啊，不可能啊，卖给你啊1901块呢，1块9毛8是吗？买卖人不是总裁是吗？We tell people do not be smart。你们想太多，你的武功多高哈？我想啊，进要去要就2000块3000块，你想多少？你的武功很高，我佩服你。但是你的武功多高，你懂？我纪念你的 ，I don't know， we can change the 接多高？你懂你的武功啦，你的武功啊，我会准的啊。人没话说，你不逼我。现在我教一个方法，你们呢为小的户口啊，几千块美金啊，要啊有机会这样赚小钱，而且 save money。交小钱啊，不会输的。因为跟我做啊，你可以输啊20次啊，20 times the rule， 10 times the rule 啊 ，still can continue trading。不像别人啊，一输啊破产。
物质不见了。
不是破产，3年的赚金啊不够
来赔。
true no, because a lot of people sell puts and things like that, or use leverage. This one we need to find a sexy term called fixed risk. It's actually fixed risk. Everyone is fixed up. You can see so this one is actually I teach that I teach one of this only Later on more advanced we can put the next level here because if they can handle one side, then we very good at how to that. But the risk is the same If we do two together, 200块 of course 300块啦。For $200 can do two. Can see you have to trade Commercial way trade is 65 cents. The use smart trade is slightly more expensive, but also good.
One question. Why you teach on sellers of option and not on buyers?
Buyers, you need to be right.
Directional.
Example now, if I teach you to buy gold, they say buy gold, I said your thing is 地上buy gold they say we do a $1 trade
What's the gold price now?
We are doing we can do a gold. We can buy a gold option See chain okay, buy an option Wait, sorry, let's take it. The gold price now is $1,790. I use this one because this is 1/10 the size. 这个是美国制裁的，不可以的，价钱不可以来玩的。你玩太多美国政府会看了抓你的。
10 ounce
One time trials They purposely make it small so you retail market do it. Like here, this side, look carefully here. This trade is $195.
Oh, you mean now it's not 1950?
No, we buy these options that give you the right to buy gold at 100. This option trade chain my give you the right to buy gold price at $1,800. How many ounce? Buy 10 ounce of gold at $1,800. Okay. Now 现在问题什么呢？ It cost you how much? Cost you $171. Okay, but for you to make a single cent, you must go above 181.71. 现在不动，你输170块；下，你输170块；上1块，也是输我说输7毛1 71 cents here because why you break even 171所以你问你准 of course 你知道你有消息 then go 会去2000块
Oh, your break even is a strike price
No, the strike price plus the price you pay You see the price you pay here this option give you the right to buy gold at $180 $1,800 The markup is what? The price you pay plus the spread is remember? So which one better? If you're right, 好咯。不然呢，你的武功，你的经验多丰富会对 no problem。因为什么？你买这个可以赚 哎，100万呢？If go 的100万，你可以赚100万呢。原来 no not gonna happen 啊。But the word infinite come out， it means what？ 你的机会存在容易是要对，要很对，不是对5毛钱1块钱，对啦，对啦。
This is an important point。现在我们呢，不要去猜上还是下，我们要用这个市场来赚取赚取这个利润，而且我们冒险呢是绝对的，冒险多少
I think better
赚
word,
多少。
you need to be more sexy word than 绝对，定的。I did go figure out the Chinese with your Malaysians. You understand me? But you understand me? I'm saying this method. Which one easier to make money? Buying a call, hoping to be right. Market don't move, go lose money 呢。Market go up by 1块 lose money 啊 ，Market go up by $50啊，哇，
厉害，
多中刀了。但是上50块啊，可以啦。所以算 easy 啊。所以这个方法哈是农夫的方法。This one is right. This is a hunter one. Hunter must be there to open.
猎人。
猎人 hunter must open. Hunter must press the trigger and then come out. This one, if你的武功高，有很多时间，很多本钱，这个最好的。你的武功技术很好，我的眼睛很准的啊，then 这个最好。哎，赚10倍啊，是很容易的。这个 if you do， OK 啊，不是5倍了，5% 啊。If gold shoot up to 2,000 this one, you know how much money can make now? This one easily worth $10 eh.
2,1950 $5,000.
No, this one itself
$5,000 ah?
no This one example now market now shoot.
Yours is
Let's go $2,000 this one worth $20 eh.
yeah.
This one from 180 now go 200 means that this option 最前给你的权利买进180块，现在市场是200块，所以你赚20块一个，打算100赚2000块，你的本钱171块，15倍5嘛，有Of course, if some people more adventurous, we take it whether we talk to us separately.
No, they will be after they listen. Some will go for the high risk, some wants the low risk. Yeah, the rest.
Then I say that we can customize methodology to it.
Yeah. Okay, this is good.
You mean so I send the link to you now. This one, so you can send the boys and girls to listen here. I think only the girl be interested only, or the other one man. I think the leader one is sorry, click off. The leader is more like a businessman.
Yeah. All they want to do this business.